This is like the front camera. Okay. Now I am. That's the thing I don't like about the back camera, because you never know. I want chapati because I am so hungry and I haven't eaten all day. So I'm gonna make chapati. I'm gonna put this. I don't know where my light is. Okay, I put it there. It's a little bit soft because that's what I like. I'm gonna add a little bit of this. Okay. Don't come for me. I'm comfortable. Woo! I'm always with kids. You're always gonna hear the back. I don't know, the back drop or something. You always gonna hear kids' voices because I'm always with kids. I don't mind it, but sometimes I do. Okay, I'm gonna keep doing this until it get to the place that I need. Okay, I washed my hand, don't worry about that. Okay, we're just gonna keep going. Because chapati, you should use your hand a lot of times, because how else the heck are you gonna... It needs to fill your bone. You see? Like that. Keep going like this for like, I don't know, 5 minutes to 10 to, I don't know, 5 to 10 minutes, like this. So, yeah. Oh my God, I can never get used to this. Okay. I like my hand to be clean. Yes, I'm wearing a lot of clothes because I don't mind wearing it. Just gonna keep doing this, and then I will look like I'm washing it. It's so soft. The thing about chapati is it needs to be soft, okay? Because when it's thick, yeah, this thing is giving me a headache. I need to get used to it. Hey, what is going on? I don't want you guys to hear the voice. Okay, I cut it. Hey! Help me, I'm not noise. That's not help. Guys, put the TV voice down. I give up. I'm not gonna use it no more. Oh my God! I don't know what happened to my tablets. Whatever they call. Not sure what they call. It's a struggle, man. Trying to be consistent on TikTok is like 0 views. You know? I don't know what's going on with TikTok nowadays. What I do that? It's getting headache. Like I'm like moving away, little by little. Moving away from TikTok. Because I don't get like literally the views are like down. I'm telling you. It's ridiculous. So I'm gonna do this to all of them like this. And then I'll see you guys in the next step. You see? Yeah. Oh, goodness, my God. Okay, guys, I've done it this side. So now we're gonna get ready for the real chapati to cook. It's ridiculous. Don't worry about it. Thank you very much. That's the biggest thing ever. I mean, where the heck am I? I'm just working with it.
You got it. You have a vision.
Oh yeah. I also have support, guys. Thank you very much.
Mommy.
Yeah.
Excuse
All of
me.
What is happening here?
I know I'm home. He's like my attention. Okay.
I know.
Can I get a hug, baby? Okay.
Yeah, guys, I really, especially you, Hiwa, thank you very much for the support. Because for me, it's very important. Because where the heck am I going to put the kids?
And it's not even like your vision is very
Oh,
like.
yes. I'm telling you.
I would say like era of like 60s or 30s. Because I remember not 60s with La Jolla, you know?
Yeah.
Him and her dad trying to like
The restaurant
force
thing.
us to
Oh, yeah.
do a little better.
But that's the
now
thing.
I understand, you know, when you're a
Yeah. And you know.
and I clean this. I know it's gonna make a good.
Oh yeah. No, the thing is, I make money out of the people around me. Yeah, I don't go outside. I mean, if I go outside, it's better. But like.
That's how you do. There's a lot of people. Have you seen around our neighborhood now?
Yeah, there's so
a
much
lot
people.
Of Adam people.
Yeah,
Gentrification is real.
everywhere.
We're about to be out of here in a few 10 years.
Tell me about it. They're gonna throw us out unless we think and don't buy everything. We should buy everything. Buy your neighborhood. That's how you stay.
That's one thing. People be like, oh, don't be so in, but you should be.
I'm checking it if it's hot or not, and then we're gonna start cooking the first one. So soft. Guys. Hey. Allah. Salaman JJ. Maybe really low because it's so hot. Jamila, where did you go? What you doing, kid? In time out. Huh? What you looking for? Huh? I am done. Ah! I think this way is better. It's my chapati. I'm gonna give some to my brothers and my sister, and then it's for me. Have a good day.